Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gopuff food and drink delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gopuff is a delivery app designed to bring snacks, drinks, groceries, and household essentials straight to your door, often in minutes. Unlike traditional delivery services that rely on local stores, Gopuff operates from its own micro-fulfillment centers, allowing faster and more reliable delivery. The app is available on both iOS and Android and covers thousands of cities and college towns across the U.S. It offers a wide range of products, from chips and energy drinks to over-the-counter medicine, pet supplies, and even alcohol in eligible areas. The main feature of the app is its speed and convenience. Most orders arrive within 30 minutes. Users can browse by category, track their order in real time, and even save favorite items for quick reordering. Gopuff also offers a subscription plan called Gopuff Fam, which provides free delivery on eligible orders and exclusive member deals. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users love Gopuff's fast delivery, broad product selection, and affordable pricing compared to traditional delivery apps. It's especially useful for late-night cravings or when you run out of essentials. However, there are some drawbacks: delivery fees on small orders, inconsistent service quality in certain regions, and limited availability in rural areas. Some users have also noted occasional app glitches or inventory mismatches. In summary, the Gopuff app may be worth using if you want ultra-fast delivery of snacks, drinks, and essentials, especially for busy days or late-night needs. However, if you live outside service areas or prefer in-store shopping, it might not be as beneficial for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.